Hello all and welcome back to the channel. This is Ketul Patel and in this video we are going to create a basic animated splash screen for our Android project. So let's start the tutorial without wasting time. So first of all, here we will go to the resource file and create a directory over here, name it as anim. So we'll keep our animation files over here. So right click on it and create animation resource file and name it as splash screen transition. So here instead of set we will use the alpha properties because we are going to fade in and out the image for our animation. So for that, first click at write Android from alpha is equal to 010 and then write Android to alpha is equal to 1.0. Now we will set a duration for our fade in and fade out, so that will be Android duration is equal to, let's suppose, 2 seconds. For that we will write 2000 because this is in milliseconds. So note that this duration is not for our splash screen activity, but this duration is for the fade in fade out animation. So close this and go to the layout, right click and add an empty activity and name it as splash screen activity and keep it as a launcher activity because splash screen is the first activity that a user view from when he opens the mobile application. Click finish. Now go to our splash screen and first we'll create a basic image view here. So for that, first click, let's create a linear layout for this. Set Android orientation vertical. Then we'll create another linear layout, match parent, and we'll provide orientation to this that will be vertical and create gravity for this so it will be center. Now in this second linear layout we'll create an image view and let's suppose 100 dp width and 100 dp height. Let's give it a source. So we will create a basic the launcher image of the Android symbol. If you have your own image you can just keep it over here. We will provide layout gravity center and we'll make assign ID to that, so that will be splash img. Closes. So you can see that we have created basic splash screen image over here. Now in our splash screen activity.java, first of all we will get our image view over here. So for that, image view and splash img. Now we will get that from our XML file, so that for that splash img is equal to cast with image view, find view by id, r dot id dot splash img. Now we will create an animation variable, so that will be animation splash anim is equal to animation utils dot load animation for this class, and we will pass our animation file. So for that, r dot anim dot our name of the file which we have created over here. So we have to pass this file name over here, so that will be splash screen transition. And now just we have to assign this splash screen animation to our image view. So for that, just write splash img or image view dot start animation and pass the animation variable over here, that is splash anim. Now we will set the duration for our splash screen activity. So for that, first let's create an intent. Final intent is equal to new intent this comma. We will redirect it to main activity dot class. Now we'll create a thread, and let's name this timer is equal to new thread, and inside that we will create a run variables, public void run, and here we will create a try catch block. So in try block we will basically just make a slip for 5 seconds, and here in catch we will write interrupt exception e and e dot stack trace, and finally we will start our activity. So start activity, and we will pass our intent variable over here, and finish. Put a semicolon for this main thread over here, and we will start our thread. So for that, timer dot start. So we are completed with our splash screen activity.java file. So what this will do is it will create a thread timer. It will slip for 5 seconds. So it will show our splash screen for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it will redirect it to the main activity. So this is how we can create a splash screen. So let's try this and have a look on that. So as you can see that it is fading our image, uh, and it is redirecting to the main activity. If you want the fade effect for more times, and you can just go over here and you can change the duration of. So this was the video of how we can create a simple fade in fade out animation for the splash screen, and how you can create a splash screen for your Android project. Uh, so in another video we are going to create, we will try new animations for our splash screen. So if you like this video, press like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more of the videos. And if you have any doubt, you can just comment down below. Thank you for watching.